Hello, in this video I'm going to demote this wheel first, and then I'm going to start placing planes on the gears to get them ready to align so that we can align the teeth together and turn the wheels and the gears together. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I'm going to do is demote this. I'm going to hold down Shift and click on all the assemblies that I have here. Oops, I forgot the drive shaft, so let me do that again. Push Tab on your keyboard and then call this wheel assembly or whatever you like. Go ahead and save that in the assemblies file. Next thing I want to do is right click on this gear and open it up in its part file. And now I'm going to make some edits. The first thing I'm going to do is start a 3D sketch. And so I'm going to click on Start 3D Sketch. I am going to include some geometry here. I want to make a 3-point plane, so I need 3 points to do that. So I'm going to create a line here, and then I want a line across here, but I can't include that as geometry, so I have to create that by making 2 points. So I'm going to make 1 point in one corner, another point in another corner, and then draw a line across those 2 points. Hit Escape. And now I have my 3 lines which I can create a 3-point plane from. Finish Sketch, and that'll create my first plane. So go ahead and go over to Plane, and then we're going to create 3 points here that the plane can use. And you'll notice that it locks in on the center point. So 1, and then click on point again. 2, click on point one more time, and that will create 3, I think. Oh, it does not. So let's go ahead and start 3D Sketch again and create a center point here, and it'll turn green when it's centered. So now we have our 3 points. Finish Sketch, go to Plane, insert 3-point plane, and use the 3 points we just created to create a plane. Now we'll use this plane to again align our gears. So the next thing I need to do is create another plane in the trough. So I have a plane on the tooth, and now I need a plane on the trough because we're going to align one tooth with one trough. So create another 3D sketch, include geometry, and I'm going to include this line and this line, and then that should be it. Finish Sketch, because you notice the center point came up in the middle of the gear here. Let's go ahead and create a 3-point plane. So create 3 points again. 1, another point, 2, and then we have the point in the center of the gear that we're going to use for our next plane. So now click on Plane, 3-point plane, and use those 3 points that we have right here. 1, 2, and 3, and that'll create those planes for us. Now let's just do some cleaning up. We're going to get rid of these, the sketches and the work points. Right click on those and uncheck visibility, again with the sketch and the work point here, but we want our planes visible on the 60 tooth gears. And you'll notice when you go back, go ahead and hit Control S and save it. Go back to your base, and when you look at your gears, you'll see those planes start to appear. So now we have to place our last wheel and start aligning those planes. So I'm going to click on my wheel assembly, Control C, Control V, paste that, and rotate the screen around, do an insert constraint, the edge right here, zoom in, grab the edge right here, hit apply, and now we have all of our wheels in place. Click on the home button so we can get back to where we are. Now the wheels are kind of in the way, and I'll show you in the next video how to align the gears and get them turning so we don't have too long of a video here.